What is up, YouTube? So, ordered this from Amazon. Got my new knife. Jukebox by Gerber. Want to get a little target thing set up in the garden. Amazon. Got that. It's nothing related, but it's very cool. Happy Halloween. Yeah, here it is. The Crosman Power. Spinning targets. I mean, people say it's pretty small. Is it the best? No. $12.99, so I just thought I'd do a little video on it because I couldn't see any videos on it, so I'm going to see what it was like. Oh wow, it really is small, but I guess small can be good. Oh wow, right. So yeah, I mean that's basically it, and you stick the let me, there we go, that's better. Stick the little stickers on. I thought it was supposed to be more sticker selection than that, but it's cool. I'm sure they can stick this on wrong, but as long as I hit the thing, I don't really care. But yeah, I thought it might be a little bit. I'm sure people are going, you're putting the targets wrong, but as long as it's on there. That was not even straight, but yeah. Okay, so I mean that is it. You just dig it in the ground. I'll probably eventually put it on a table or maybe get some legs to make it higher up. But at the moment, could be fun. Okay, I'm gonna have a little try of it. I'm gonna try my Sig P365 BB gun, which seems to be the contender. If you watch previous videos, I'm gonna get that or the Glock 19, but it looks like the Sig is gonna win at the moment. Okay, let's get this outside. So, kept missing that one. Okay guys, that was it. Bit of target practice, that middle tiny ones. I don't think I got it. Kind of hard, but yeah, that's what we got it for, to practice. So, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching guys. Just in case I was using the Sig P365 BB gun. Like it a lot, but only takes like 16 and they usually run out pretty quick, as you saw by the video. But yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.